Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a light switch in just about 60 seconds. It's easier than you think. First, and this is the most important step, head to your circuit breaker and turn off the power to that switch. Safety first. Use a voltage tester to double check that the power is completely off. No current. Now unscrew the faceplate from the wall. With that off, you'll see the screws holding the switch in the electrical box. Unscrew those and gently pull the switch out. Before you do anything else, snap a quick photo of how the wires are connected. This will be your roadmap. Carefully disconnect the wires from the old switch. Then, grab your new switch and connect the wires exactly like they were in your photo. Push the new switch back into the box, screw it securely, and pop on the new faceplate. Finally, go back to your breaker, flip the power on, and test it out. Just like that, you've done it yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick DIY tips.